Send button.
Hi, hello, namaste. This is Ramarao. You're watching Ramarao Damaraju YouTube channel. Please do subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Friends, with the help of Humanity Organization, I am giving information regarding groups in my channel. I thank Humanity Organization for giving me this opportunity to post these kind of videos in my channel. Thank you so much. If I talk about humanity organization, they are working for visual impaired persons. They are doing in 13 countries across the world. They are providing scribes for visual impaired. They are giving audio materials. They are giving study materials. They can provide you at in any language like English, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, etc. with free of cost. They are not even expecting single paisa. So friends, encourage humanity organization and also my channel. Do subscribe my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.
Send.
Page 4. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching scorching heat of the sun. It consists of a number of gases, dust and water vapor. Vapor. The changes in the atmosphere produce changes in the weather and climate. Plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. Word origin: environment. French word environner, ENVIRONER, alternatively spelled as ENVIRONNER, environner, meaning neighborhood. NEIGHBOURHOOD, neighborhood. Let's do activity 1. Where does the water you use in your home and school come from? Make a list of different uses of water in your daily life. Have you seen anyone wasting water? How? Let's do activity 2. Observe the sky while coming to school. Make a note whether the day is cloudy, rainy, sunny, foggy, etc. Next topic. What is ecosystem? At an NCC camp that Ravi's class was attending, Jessie exclaimed, "What a heavy downpour! It reminds me of my home in Kerala." Kerala, Kerala. You should come and see how it pours and pours and pours over the lush green fields and coconut plantations. Plantations, plantations. Hira from Jaisalmer, Jaisalmer, Jaisalmer exclaimed, "We get no rains. We see only kikar, Kikar, kikar and sand as far as the eyes can see. But you also find camels," said Ravi. Page 5. Hira says, "Not just camels. If you visit our desert, you will see snakes, lizards, and many insects too." Ravi wondered, why do animals, the vegetation, 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 and the way people live vary from place to place? Are they all related to each other? "Oh, yes, very much so," the teacher replied. "All plants, animals, and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. Often, they are also interdependent on each other. This relation between the living organisms as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. There could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, lake, river, ocean, and even a small pond. Do you think the park in which Ravi and his friends played formed an ecosystem? Glossary. Ecosystem. It is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical chemical factors of the environment in which they live, all linked by transfer of energy and material. Let's do activity 3. Sketch, sketch or bring photographs of your place like the students in the story. Next topic, human environment. Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their need. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them. With the time, needs grew and became more varied. Varied. Humans learned new ways to use and change environment. They learned to grow crops, domesticate, domesticate animals, and lead a settled life. The wheel was invented, surplus food was produced, barter system, barter system emerged, trade started, and commerce developed. Industrial revolution enabled large-scale production. Transportation became faster. Information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. Have you ever thought why you love eating a juicy watermelon in summer and hot roasted peanuts, peanuts in winter? A perfect balance is necessary between the natural and human environment. Humans must learn to live and use their environment in a harmonious, harmonious way. Nuri, Nuri, a girl from Mizoram, Mizoram, from Ravi's class, often talks about the lush green surroundings of her place. Seeing Ravi upset at having lost his playground, Nuri invited him to visit her home state during the coming vacation. Ravi's teacher asked the students to draw the landscape, houses, and activities of the people and places they visit during the holidays.